Hi, Hari. Today we're going to draw the national flag of Hungary. For this purpose, we're going to put the green color here, white here, and red on the top. Let's put the green color first. So I'm using these pencil tools to draw the green colors here. And when you draw, you always try to make it as uniform as possible. For the drawing of flags, I have already previously drawn the bigger rectangles, and I also divided it into the three smaller rectangles here, which are usually little longer than the usual shape of the rectangle. All right, and this whole flag is divided into three segments. Now I am putting the green color into one of the three segments. So this is the segment in the bottom, which is green color. So the coloring is almost done. All right, the middle space, that's the left white, and on the top I'm going to put the red color on the top here. Let's try to make it as uniform as possible. Working little faster. As you know, in this video we haven't edited anything. All the drawings are done in real time, real combinations. All right, the drawing is looking good. Okay. So the total color combinations of the flag of Hungary, you can see this is done. So the red is on the top portion, white in the middle, and green in the bottom. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get more updates. You can also browse through the playlist to select your drawings from different categories. You can learn, you can have the free tutorials, so many drawings. And also thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing channel and learn faster, learn easy way of drawing. Thank you so much. Have a good day.